For generations, French families have poured their heart and soul into winemaking. But now, many are worrying about their uncertain future. America is the biggest customer for the French wine outside Europe. France exports nearly $2 billion worth of wine to US every year. This benefits mainly to the small and medium wine producers to keep their wine prices reasonable. But new 200% tariff will push winemakers to increase their prices, which could lead to lose the customers.
I hope that I shall be happy in a few weeks because we are very much afraid of the taxes. Average is $100. So it will be impossible to sell it if you have to multiply by 3.
This tariff will not just affect French winemakers but also consumers from US. Retailers, restaurants and distributors will struggle with price hikes. A bottle that currently costs $20 could soon be over $60, which could be a burden to consumers' pocket. Ultimately, demand for French wine could collapse.
This is not beneficial for anybody. We cannot price items, we cannot buy inventory based on speculations. Distributors, the people that are selling us the product, they don't know how much inventory to hold on to because nobody wants to pay 2-3 times more than what they would be paying today in a month from now.
The French wine industry is already facing challenges like climate change, rising production costs, and competition from New World wines. This tariff could add another layer of financial strain, specifically to small and medium-scale wine producers. French government could try to negotiate with the US to reduce the tariffs or focus on finding new opportunities.
Big commercialized producers can export wines easily, however, the ones who will suffer are the small and the medium-sized producers. However, the small and medium-sized producers are looking into a new market in Asia, especially countries like Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, Japan, for exporting wines because of the lower import taxes as well as more growing demand for the French wine consumption.
However, building these new connections will take time and the US can't easily be replaced. With billions of euros and thousands of jobs at stake, the question remains, will American wine lovers still raise a glass of French wine or will they be forced to look elsewhere? Rohini Gosavi in Paris for DD India.